remove this screw. First take off the cover and then remove the screw. Press this button to undo this. Comes out like this. This is the location of the actuator. It's done. So we have Torx screws here, 3 of them. We gotta take them off before we proceed any further. Will fit. And I'm just going to use this screwdriver to take it off. 1, and then we've got another 2 to go. And third one. There we go. Part that we have got in. So this one goes in first. Line up the screws. And then when this one goes in, there's a plastic clip on there that goes and snaps on it. We've got to make sure that this one goes in place first, and then we put the plastic cap on it. Let's do it. Plug it in, like so. Line up the screws. I'm just going to put a couple of screws back in. Just to hold back the position. Put this plug back in, like so. Now we can put this plastic coverage back because no more work needs to be done on this part. There we go. Done. Now this one goes into the frame. This needs to line, this one and this one needs to line up. Like that. This one goes back in.